Hello everyone, I'm here making another video, I guess review video or how to. This time it's about a Klein tools. I thought it wasn't working anymore because I would turn it on and then, well, right now it is turning red. I don't know if it's because it's getting cold and the battery's messing up, but I was at another house and it didn't work. Right now, look, it only turns red, it doesn't beep. What I found out is turned off. Okay, so it doesn't do it. It's not gonna do it, it needs to beep. No. It is working because it's telling you, right? But let's see. Right there. Once you hear that, it'll work. It'll sound. And try it again. So right here is just the sound, right? It's just I mean not the sound, just the color. No sound. So press it again. I don't know, I wasn't doing it before, but right now you see it's working. So off, on, boom. Off. Maybe you just need to tap it once, I'm not sure. Look. Okay, yes. Look, it's a quick tap. You don't need to hold it much to turn it on. Just a quick tap. And then the sound is there, and then it'll be with sound. Okay, so hopefully that helps y'all. I mean, at least I found that out. I don't know if a lot of people are having that problem, but hopefully that helps y'all. So, like I said, quick tap for the sound. But if you want no sound, then just leave it held. No sound. See that? No sound. Again, quick tap, sound. Now we have sound. Well, hopefully that helps everybody. Thank you. Peace out.